skiers and riders, it's Devin here, back again with your Wednesday, December 4th, Wachusett Mountain Ski Report Update. Today's the day. We have 22 trails open, serviced by 5 lifts. Due to the snowstorm and the snowmakers' hard work, we were able to drop the ropes on some of your favorite trails. Come on down to enjoy Smith Walton, Balance Rock, Roper's Road, and Lookmon. The groomers left a few trails ungroomed today for those of you who want to enjoy some fresh powder, so make sure to keep an eye out for signs indicating the conditions of trails. Our mini park is still set up on Challenger, so make sure to come on down to keep practicing those early season tricks. We still have Cyber Week deals going on until December 6th, so make sure to check out our website, Wachusett.com, and look at those awesome deals. Today is also our Race League kickoff party, so make sure to come on down to the Granite Room from 7 to 9 p.m. to register for races and enjoy food, drinks, raffles, and prizes. Last but not least, this Saturday, December 7th, is our Mountainside Demo Fest and REI Snow Bash. Come check out some new gear and enjoy the party. Admissions include $10 off a skier board tune-up at the Mountainside shop, so don't miss out on this fun event. You having fun today?
I love it.
Woo! That's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check us out on all of our social media, and I'll see you on the slopes.
What you said?